Okay, this is going to be one of the summer projects I'm going to have to work on. This is my FF20. It doesn't have the PTOs or anything on it. I got to move those off one of the FF18s. But I was happy to pick this thing up. Extremely rare. I don't think there's a video online anywhere on the internet about one of these. I hope to clean this thing up and get it running. Right now I just hooked it up to the 20 to see if the tractor could even lift it. It's really heavy. Let me see if I could put this camera on the stand. Maybe not.